how to create decals in Roblox. So if you want to create decals in Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Roblox. You can go with your browser and then you can just go with roblox.com/home and make sure you log into your account. Now you need to go with create, which is on the top, and it will take you to the creator hub. Now you just need to simply go with the dashboard section, which is on the top, and on your dashboard you need to go with the right side, which has development items. Now search for the decals option, click on it, and then you will have upload asset section. Click on upload asset and then you can upload it. You can go with the asset type, which is decal, and then you can upload your format, JPG, PNG, TGA, or BPM, everything. And then you need to enter the name of the decal and then description. And after that, you can go with upload. And that's it. Your decal will be created. So that's how you can create your decal in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.